Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today we are going to see one of the important concepts in C language, that is operator precedence and their associativity. So we'll see what exactly mean by operator precedence and their associativity. Now these are the two important characteristics of operator. Whenever we will deal with the operators, these are the two things come into the picture, that is operator precedence and their associativity. So these two are used, basically we will see one by one. First of all, we'll see what exactly mean by operator precedence. Operator precedence means what? It determines it determines which operator or priority of operator, you can say priority, should perform, or you can say execute first in an any expression. Basically, when there are more than one operator with different precedence. Precedence means exactly what exactly mean by precedence means priority. For example, if we are having a more than one operator, right, then this precedence will decide which operator is going to execute first. For example, I just take one example here, simple example. If I want to do some calculation like 20 plus suppose 9 divided by 3, this is one expression. Just I'll give some space to understand better. 20 plus 9 divided by 3. Okay, if I'll give this expression, right? So there would be some precedence. That means what? There would be some priority. For example, here, how many operators in this expressions are there? There are two operators. One is plus, another is division. So which operation is going to perform, right? That is going to be told by the precedence of operator. So here, if I'll compare these two operators, that is plus and division, here the division has highest priority or highest precedence than your plus operator. That is the reason why the evaluation will be like 20 will be as it is, then plus, then 9 by 3 is 3. This is the second step, and third step will be, as there is only one operator, the result will be 23. So here, whenever we are having more than two operators, right, then this precedence is going to determine which operator is going to execute first in an any expression is called as what? Is called as operator precedence. That is called as a operator precedence. So if I'll just chalk down the level of operator and their precedence, so we'll see operator, and suppose I will write only in that level which operator is having the highest precedence. So precedence means the priority. Okay, so first on topmost, we can say that these brackets, these are called as what? These are called as a parenthesis, or you can also say this as a function call. This is called as a function call. Next, sorry, this parenthesis, then you can say the square brackets, then dot operator is used to call the structure members. When we will learn structure, I will come to this point. Then you are having structure to pointer. that is like dash and arrow. This is the symbol. This is called as the structure to pointer access operator. Okay, so this all operators will have the highest precedence. Highest precedence. I'll write only highest. After this, we will have like a multiplication, then division and modulus operator. These are the second highest precedence. Means just below this highest. The topmost would be this bracket, square bracket, and then this dot operator and structure to pointer operator. This would be the highest. Then this three would be on the same line. That is multiplication, division, and modulus. After that, the plus and minus operators. These are having the same precedence. And likewise, some equal to, then some operators like not equal to, then we are having conditional operator number, whatever the operators available in your programming language, they will come according to this precedence only. Like this is the assignment operator. These all are the operators. So on the topmost, right? If any bracket would be there, for example, here, instead of this expression, if this expression is like bracket, then 20 plus 9, then bracket, then division, then 3. Then the result would be different. How? Can you guess what would be the output now here? Because as this bracket has the highest precedence here, that we can see in this particular explanation, this brackets, either this round bracket, square bracket, or whatever the operations are there, if they will be appear in your expression, then that must has to be given the highest priority. So here we need to solve first. What we need to solve for this bracket. So what would be the answer of this bracket? If I go and solve this, the answer would be 29, then divided by 3, right? And the next step, of course, there is only one operator, then this will be divided by, right? Your answer would be like 9. This is what your operator precedence. I hope you understand. So depending on the precedence, okay, operator precedence, the expressions are going to be evaluated. For example, I'll take one more example, like 5 plus 2, then into 5. Now I think you can guess now what would be the answer. Now just to compare, we are having two operators here. You need to check which operator has a more precedence. Now here in the diagram, of course, this plus minus, right? This will be lie after this precedence. Like that is multiplication. That means what? The result will be like 5, then plus, then 2 into 5 is, this would be evaluated first. 2 into 5 will be evaluated first, and the result would be like 15. This is called as operator precedence. Now we'll come to the second point, that is operator associativity. Associativity. Now what exactly mean by this associativity? This associativity will comes in a picture whenever if your expression has two operators with same precedence. For example, if I'll write here, sorry, here only I will take, for example, 5 plus 2 minus 3. If this is the expression, now you know that this plus and minus both are lying on a same precedence here only. Right? We have discussed plus and minus lies on the same precedence. Then now the question arises, now what would be the result? So in that case, right, this associativity will come into picture. There would be two possibilities there in associativity. Whenever the operators are same precedence, there would be two possibilities. One is the associativity will be either from left to right or from right to left. This all depends upon the again the operators. left to right or right to left. So whenever we are talking about this plus and minus, the associativity of this plus and minus will always from left to right only. Here I will make one more column as associativity. Okay, so here which operator is going to be performed first? The plus operator is going to be performed first. That means 5 plus 2 is 7, then minus 3. The result is 4. Suppose we'll take one more example for the associativity. For example, if I'm taking 5 into 2 divided by, suppose again 2. Now here two operators are there. One is multiplication, another is division. Both the operators precedence is again same. Yes, yes. In that case, the what we can say the associativity will be from right to left. Here the associativity right to left. Right to left means what is going to be evaluated first? 2 by 2 is going to be evaluated first. That means 5 into 1. The result is 5. Okay. So this is what are called as operator associativity. So this is what all about the operator precedence and their associativity. We can take one small example practically to better understand what exactly mean by this all associativity and what would happen if we place the bracket here or if we are not placing any bracket in the expression, how the expressions are going to be executed. To see this, we will take one example on Dev C++ editor directly. Now we are going to perform a program on operator precedence and their associativity. For that purpose, I'll take one header file, include stdio.h. Then int, oh not required here, int void main. I'll take some variables x comma y comma z comma m comma, suppose result is one variable. Suppose I want to assign some values here. Let us take some values like suppose any values like x is equals to 5. Suppose y is equal to any random values like 10. Z is equals to some 3. And suppose m is equals to, again I will take some 5. And here we'll take some expression. I'll directly print the result. Printf. And suppose I want to print the expression like, here I want to print like this. Mm, suppose x plus y, then into z divided by m. Okay. Or else I will take this as an, I'll store in somewhere because I've taken as a one variable as a result. So better result equal to x plus y into z by m. Right? Parallel you can perform also because already we have seen the theory part colon, and here I want the result, that is percent d comma, and the answer is stored in where? Result variable. Okay, so this is what the first expression. Okay, so let us print and see what exactly we are going to get the output. Control S, and I'll select this C program, and here I will write operator precedence. Done. If I'll carefully watch this expression, right? This is bracket x plus y multiplication z divided by m. And we know that what is the priority level, right? Bracket has a highest priority. Then afterwards, multiplication, division, modulus has the second highest, then third highest, and so on. So we'll see that and see the assignment operator is standing at last. Okay, so let's we see the result. I hope you have calculated the result, but still I'll execute and we'll try to print the result. And the result is what? 9. I hope you got the same answer while evaluating. If not, then I will explain how actually this result is out here. Okay, so what is the expression that we have taken here? X plus y, control C. I'll take this whole like control C. In paint I'm just pasting here, control V. That's it. Okay, so now just we will put the value here in front of this equals to, the values are like x plus y is what? 5 plus 10. This is x plus 5. Then multiplication. Okay, then what is z? Z is 3 divided by again 5. Okay, if you see this expression, there are number of operators involved. Bracket is involved, plus is there, multiplication is there, division is also there. So as per our rule, the bracket has the highest priority. So definitely the bracket is going to solve first here. Okay, so we will solve that bracket. 5 plus 10 is 15. That's fine. The remaining expression will be as it is, 3 by 5. Okay, then there is a multiplication and there is a division. Both have the equal priority. Associativity equals to 15 into 3, 45 divided by 5. The answer is equals to, what is the answer? The answer is, sorry, the answer is 9 here. That's what it has been calculated, and that is the reason why you're getting the answer like 9. Let us change somewhat here. We'll change some brackets and all here. Okay. Second expression we'll see. And here a small difference. We'll make some little difference like we'll put here one more bracket. Oh, sorry. One bracket here and then one bracket here. Now tell me the result. Just have taken one more bracket here. That's all. Result will be, what would be the result? Say again, the result would be same because this is the bracket. The bracket, once it will enter into this expression, now again it is seeing one more bracket. So bracket will be evaluated. Then it will multiplication with this and then division by the that m, that is 5. So result would be, I think it should be same, right? The result is same. Now we come to the third part. Let us do some more changes to better understand the associativity and this operator precedence. Now what I will do, I'll make these brackets individual like this one, and then I'll put one bracket here. Not here. Into z by m. Now tell me what would be the result. You take some time, do it on your paper. You need to run everything on a paper, then only you come to the result. There are two brackets, right? This one and this one. X plus y means 5 plus 10, that is 15, into 3 by 5. Now what would be the answer of the 3 by 5? That would be 0. 0 into anything would be the answer would be 0. Let us check. Yes, the answer would be 0. Okay. And the last one more we will take as a demo part of this expression. Control V, and we'll do some changes like we'll remove this one, we'll remove this one, and x plus, I will put this y and z into the bracket now. Z into the bracket and divided by m. X plus y into z and divided by this one. Now guess the output. Now bracket has the highest priority. All of you know that. The bracket y into z. What is y? 10 into z. That is 30. After that, plus and division. Of course, division has a highest priority. 30 divided by m. M is 5. So the answer is 6. The 6 plus x. What is 5? 5. The 6 plus 5 is 11. The result would be 11 here. See the result. The result would be 11. Same expression. The thing is what? Only we have shifted the brackets, because brackets are the brackets. If you are not putting any bracket in any expression, then according to the precedence that is going to be executed. But if you put any bracket, right, as we know that the bracket has the highest priority. So the bracket needs to be solved first, then it will be move on to the next priority. So that is what about all about the operator precedence and their associativity, which is very important as far as your knowledge concerns. These all brackets associativity always from uh, left to right, left to right. You can Google out for the all the operators. I'm not going to tell you every operator here. As the time will come, we will see that one. This is right to left. This is left to right. This equal to and not equal to comparison is always from left to right. So here I will write left to right. Then this conditional operator would be, I think, right to left. Associativity, right to left. Then this is our, I think you can guess now. Assignment operator would be from left to right or right to left. See the expression. Take any expression. See, this is assignment operator. Always the assignment from right to left or left to right. Always from right to left only. Entire expression will be evaluated first, then it will be going to assign to the left hand side variable. Okay, so the assignment operator associativity is always from right to left. So that's it, guys. I hope you have understood in a simpler manner, that is the operator precedence and their associativity. Please do comment how did you like this video, and please, if you're not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe, because to get updates subscription is mandatory, so that you will directly get the videos, updated videos onto your account directly. So thank you very much. Keep watch. Till then, bye bye.